Oh,
What are
hi.
you doing?
I'm just checking my garden now. My
Oh,
garden.
yeah.
Look at it. I just looking for a new grass here.
Oh,
I want to cut it.
you want to
Before I
cut it?
Yeah. But before I cut it,
Oh,
I have a promise to you that I want to show you about our top working plant that already producing a fruit, right?
yeah, yeah. I remember that. Can you show me now?
You really curious about it?
Yes.
You must be can wait any longer, right?
Oh, yeah, of course.
But I think I must clean this part now.
Yeah.
After it maybe. And before that, I want to show you this tree here.
Yeah.
It's not producing a fruit yet. But
Now, what is it?
you still remember about the Muhammad Ali or
Yeah.
the Cham?
Yeah.
Here's the Cham, you know. It's already grow bigger now.
Oh, it's top working result,
Working,
yeah?
it's top working result. And you know what? I feel like the top working result is more faster than
Oh.
just regular planting.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Because
yeah.
I guess the main stem or the main trees must be have a lot of nutrition in it.
Yeah, yeah, I
So
see.
it makes the plant grows more faster.
Oh, yeah.
Come here then.
Okay.
It's still freshy here.
Oh,
Many
yeah.
grasses.
Oh,
Nice. We have a little type of avocado here.
yeah.
I guess it's a red Vietnam, you know.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Maybe
Yeah.
it's tan beach.
No.
It could be
Because it's yellow?
yellow, or maybe it's Mickey
No.
because there's many yellow. So I forget about this one. But what's your opinion about this?
I think that is like a yellow Vietnam.
Yellow Vietnam. There's
Yes.
a red yellow.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I forgot what the plan of it. Maybe you know it. It's yellow Vietnam.
Yeah, I think.
You know, guys, Vietnam, once again I say, really comes with a lot of new varieties of avocados.
Yeah.
Especially red Vietnam. It's yellow, I guess.
Yeah.
It's a rare type, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Bokong tan, bokong head.
Wow.
Come on then. Yeah. Oh my god, guys.
What kind of avocado that you want to show me?
The first one is Kayangan, of course.
Kahiangan.
You still remember a lot of my video talking
Yeah.
about Kayangan, right?
Yeah.
The most productive local fruit.
All right.
Come here. Look at it. It's already producing a fruit, guys.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And
Show
also,
me.
it's a hash there.
Has?
Yeah, we are top working it with hash.
All right.
So we mix it like a American and local.
Oh.
It's work.
One tree to be
Many variety.
Many variety,
Many
not
variety.
only two.
Not only two, we can make 5, 3.
Oh.
As long as you are smart to top working it, you
Oh.
can make many variety in just one trees, you know.
Oh,
Come here.
my gosh.
Or has here hasn't producing fruit yet, but the Kayangan
Yeah.
is already producing fruit.
Oh, yeah, show me.
You want to know it?
Yeah, I'm curious.
It's so
Oh,
small.
yeah, I see.
But we have a 7 fruit here that are
Yeah.
producing a fruit.
Oh,
Okay, there's 2,
two
three,
of that,
4.
3, okay.
5,
Oh, yeah.
6. Yeah,
All right.
6.
That's it. Oh my gosh. That is.
It's 6, right?
Let's prove that
And the
is-
7th one is the minimalistic one. Oh my god.
Where is it?
It's still a baby.
Oh,
So
yeah, you're right.
it's also proof, guys, that pairing or top working is not just for aesthetic,
Oh,
but it can also profitable because you can harvest many type of fruit in just one tree.
oh,
And it's also pairing a fruit, of course.
oh, yeah.
Not just for aesthetic, not just for creativity,
Yeah.
but it's also for a business.
Oh, yeah. That's.
We also can mix many interesting variety.
Oh, yeah.
You know what? Oh my god. If you want to delve deep into the world of avocado like this, we can mix many varieties in just one tree.
Oh, my God. Show me the others that you
Want to
say.
show the adults that already bearing a fruit, right?
Yeah, I'm
I think-
curious.
This one hasn't bearing a fruit yet.
Yeah, but nearly, I think.
Nearly, because wait a minute, and it's already flowering.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's already a few of the branches are already flowering. So
Yeah.
it's indicated that the plant is going to be bearing a fruit.
Oh, yeah.
I will show you the more of it. And
Okay.
It's already bearing a fruit, I guess.
Where is it?
Oh my god, guys. I think many Americans already know about it. It's a hash avocado.
Has avocado.
You still remember the last video that I want to show you about the hash avocado?
Yeah, yeah.
He sprouted a fruit, right?
Yeah.
Here. It's the hash
Oh.
variety here.
Is that bearing fruit?
Yeah, it's bearing a fruit right now.
Oh, where is it? Oh, I'm curious. Oh God.
It will grow more bigger until around this big, you know?
Yeah.
Because I seen a many has variety in YouTube
Yeah.
or in many social Instagram.
Yeah.
It can be very very big.
Oh.
And you know, has avocado only found in European and American marketplace
Yeah.
because
Oh.
they're introduction,
Yeah.
not from local.
Yeah.
And we have two of it here.
Where is
Oh
it?
my god, look at it.
Let me see. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, you're right.
Also, the fruit have a different shape, right?
Yeah.
Like a thorn here.
Yeah.
It makes it really, really interesting, guys.
Oh,
my-
yes.
It's the work of top working.
Oh,
Whew. So it proves that top working is not for aesthetic only.
Yeah.
But we can produce a fruit,
yeah.
not just for aesthetic. Like
And it's proof, yeah?
it's proven.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not lying. I will not lie to you guys because if you want to get a new knowledge like this, you can check our channel.
Oh, yeah.
There's many knowledge about plants, about how
Yeah.
to spraying, fertilizer.
Wow.
Many with variety of it.
Yeah.
If you're interested with variety of avocado, we already make a lot of video about it.
And do you have a review about the avocado that you
Of course we have
harvested?
it. And I think it's the most expensive avocado that we ever tried. It's Creole, I guess.
Wow.
Because yesterday I found that Creole is $25 per each fruit. And yesterday we reviewed it. If you want to see the review video, you will know what my reaction is. I will be insane because of that fruit, guys. So
Wow.
you can see the video after you see after you see this video, and you can check up to that video
Okay.
because it's really really interesting.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
I want to show you more of it.
All right.
Oh my god, it's fresh now.
Oh yeah. It's bright
There's
day.
many pineapple here, like
Yeah.
I told you before in previous video. We also have a lot of pineapple.
Oh.
And look at it. I think it's New Nam Long, I guess.
Yeah,
It's
that's
pineapple.
right. It's the same with
With the other garden, right?
yeah.
Shenlong. Because you know what? All of your wishes will be granted by this dragon. Shenlong.
Oh, Shenlong.
If you have already seen Dragon Ball, you
Yeah.
will see what a Shenlong is.
Okay.
That's why I really love to call it Shenlong, even though the name of it is New Namlong.
New Namlong, right?
It's also of crafting,
Oh,
or
this
top
is
working.
result of top working.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All of this plant in here just result of top working,
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at it. We have many plants there.
Oh, this
Look at it.
kind of trees. It
Yeah.
looks so green.
It looks so green and looks more.
I think it's like a TA21.
Yeah, it's TA21. You're right once again. The most delicious fruit,
Yeah.
It's small, but the taste of it, oh my god. Don't ask me again. I will die because of that taste.
Oh,
It's heaven.
oh my
Heaven.
god. Oh,
I'm not
I-
exaggerating it, guys, but
Yeah.
exaggerated. No, I'm not exaggerating it, but it's real.
Oh,
That
yeah.
this fruit is delicious, creamy,
Yeah.
sweet,
Yeah.
buttery, oily.
Oh,
In just small fruit like this.
yeah, yeah.
Oh my god. Instead of sea, of course. But
Yeah.
we also have a local variety that's almost the same, but it's
Yeah.
more bigger.
Yeah.
You will find it in one of our video
Yeah.
about variety of local avocado.
Okay.
Just check it, guys. And
Check it. Which avocado that you want to show me again?
yeah, there's many of it. There's so many of avocado that I want to show you.
What is it?
Wait. I still thinking. Oh, this one.
Oh, what is it?
You always seen about the red Vietnam, right?
Yeah.
Here's the all top working and it's already bearing a fruit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Look
Where
at
is it? Oh, there is it. This is a fruit that's called
Red
Vietnam.
Vietnam, right?
Oh, what
You
is
have
it?
ever try or watch our video about red Vietnam, right?
Yeah.
It's already bearing a fruit now.
Oh,
We just need to wait until it's ripe
yeah.
and we can try it.
Yeah.
Because, even though the name of red is red, but the fruit is still green.
Yeah.
Not like our previous video about reviewing avocado, right?
Okay.
Because that's a unique variety.
Yeah.
I don't want to spill it now
Yeah.
because that will be really, really beautiful.
Okay. What next? Want to show me?
I want to show you about Tan Beach.
Tan Beach.
Tan Beach, yeah. Where is it, by the way? I forgot about the Tan Beach because
Where
there
is
are
it?
many variety of fruit here.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe this one. This one maybe. Oh wait, I think this one. Oh, so we have a lot of different variety here.
Yeah.
You know, guys, that our previous video, I also really scared because I found a banana plants in one of our variety.
Yeah.
I am afraid because that variety is the rarest variety now.
Oh yeah.
It's called tan beach.
Tan beach.
We also already have a fruit here.
Yeah. Where is it?
Oh, wait a minute, I need to find it. I need to find it first because it's hiding. It's really hiding in the season. Where is it? I think it's not this. Oh,
Where?
it's mimicking the colors of the sky. You know.
Oh.
Look at it.
Oh. Yeah.
Look more closer.
Oh yeah.
It's shaped like a mango.
Oh yeah. Is it called tan beach avocado?
Yeah, it's tan beach.
Oh my
God, guys, we just have
This is all the result of top walking.
Of course, all of our plan here stop working, you know, because we like to experiment.
Yeah.
We love to mixing a different variety of the fruit.
Yeah.
Oh my God, guys, look at the shape of it. It's like a mango.
Yeah.
And more importantly, we only just have one of it here.
Oh.
So
So we can taste it.
someday, if it's
Alright.
ready to ripe, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I already show you a type of it. Are you already enough now?
Yeah.
You got many knowledge, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so
I got.
if you want to see more knowledge like this, more about plants, unique plants, avocado, everything in this natural world,
Yeah.
just follow our channel
Yeah.
and always keep up with us. See
Okay.
you. Thank you.